Thank you for joining me. Alright, so today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Western Digital Elements. This is a 5 terabyte drive. I actually got this on Amazon. It was just about the same price as the 4 terabyte, so I bought the 5, which was $99. It's 2020 in September. Anyway, also before I open this, make sure that you do me a favor, because I'm always curious about what time people are watching these videos. Leave me a comment with what time it is where you are, whatever country you're in. You don't need to say the country or where you are, but just what time it is, because I'm always curious to see what time people are watching videos like this. So if you could do that, that would be awesome. Pretty straightforward. Oh, whoops. Alright, well I emptied that out real quick. Drive cable. Instructions. It's probably just like the other Western Digital drives that I have. Read all these later. This drive, this is heavy. I wonder if it thumped on the table like it did. This compared to the other ones that I have, it's about the same size. This one's a lot lighter. I wouldn't, now that I think about it, it's not a lot lighter, but it is lighter. Obviously it's bigger than this one. I do notice that the orientation of where this plugs in is a little bit different. That's fine. So just real easy, real quick. This feels dense though. It feels like there's something to it. So other than that, thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe. There'll be some information in the credits if I make some for this one. Alright, have a good day.